Hello, my fellow graphic designers. Are you tired of looking at the same old boring billboards when you're driving down the road? Thanks to Canva, on their Learn platform, they have compiled 50 brilliant billboard ads that are guaranteed to stop you on your tracks. These ads are not only visually stunning, brilliant, but they also have some valuable lessons for us as designers. With each design, we're going to have a takeaway that we could use in our own lives. So it could be a flyer, it could be a logo, it could be a website, it could be any design that you would be doing. So put that mindset when you're looking at these amazing designs on see how they can inspire you with your designs for this year. Let's jump right in. Coming in at number 1, it's the light bulb. This light bulb is such a great design because when somebody walks past the light bulb, it lights up. So what do we take away from this? The best advertising techniques actively involve their audiences. And in this case, when somebody walks by, the light bulb comes alive. Coming in at number 2, it's the bite. This beautiful, brilliant design, our takeaway is to reinforce a claim like build strong teeth and rethink the format and make it part of our message. How clever is this one? Coming in at number 3, it's the tunnel. The takeaway on this one is intervene location where viewers are not expecting to be reached. Disrupt the scenery with an ad where the audience gets quite literally immersed in it. And in at number 4, it's the nose hair trimmer. Our takeaway on this one is go beyond the format dimension and let quotidian elements like electric poles and wires in this case interact with the ad. Brilliant. Coming in at number 5, it's the crying billboard. This is a new dimension to ads where we bring emotions to life with treatment that makes them pop out of the paper. This ad brought tears alive with water, but you could think of appealing to other senses as well. Happiness, for instance, could be enlarged by adding a real laughter sound. And then at number 6, it's change. With this one, the takeaway is using negative space creatively can help you break through the advertising clutter. Number 7 is chalkboard menu. The takeaway with this one is in an industry where ultra-modern and eye-catching typography reigns, grab your audience attention by going retro with a hand-lettered elements. Look at number 8, it's called women. The takeaway on this one is that ads don't always need to be flat. Think laterally and involved, otherwise disturbing elements like corners and cracks to enhance your message. I love this one. Number 9 is submerged billboard. The takeaway on this one is defeat media saturation by sharing your message in an uncluttered, creatively relevant space. Look at number 10. Number 10 is fresh salads. The takeaway for this one is take typography a step further and find ways to communicate your message in the letters themselves. If suitable for the message, think of ways in which your ad can evolve over time. This ad reinforces the idea of freshness precisely by letting viewers in on a genuine growth process. And look at number 12. Number 12 is penny billboard for Chevrolet Aveo. The takeaway for this one is let users interact with your ad in meaningful ways. While freebies or free money won't always be possible, there are many creative ways that you can involve people with your ads. And number 13, the giant Cadbury. The takeaway for this one is don't be afraid to escape pixel perfection. Rather than displaying immaculate images of the product like a Silk chocolate bar, play with the idea of showing the product in use, even if it means tearing your packaging apart, as it was in this case. Looking at number 17, the Look at Me by WCRS for Women's Aid. The takeaway on this one is interactive ads are taking over. This example shows that involving your audience with a digital ad can be a powerful strategy to reinforce a message. Looking at number 20, Oreo Eclipse for Oreo. The takeaway on this one is let your brand advertising interact with current events. If an eclipse is garnering some major public attention, join the buzz and give your audience something else to talk about. This is true for natural phenomena as well as citywide activities, holidays, and other major events. Coming in at number 30, it's clock billboard. The takeaway for this one is sometimes ads have a double function that renders them particularly useful for viewers. If that function is universally appealing, you might even be able to attract an audience that wouldn't be interested in your brand otherwise. Look at this awesome one. Coming in at number 31 is the big razor. And then with number 32, burnout. Look how cool is number 33. It's called clean air. The takeaway on this one is sometimes what surrounds the ad is more important than what's in the ad. Exercise your lateral thinking skills to bring that message across. This is cool. Coming in at number 35 is you made it. Takeaway for this one is strong design concept can also be simple. Simple is always better. The last one we're going to look at is number 48, strong tape. This brilliant ad, the takeaway for us on this one is, what if the product we are advertising could have a utilitarian function for the ad? Tape, paint, paper, metal, frames, and ink. Consider how the ad could become a living sample of your quality. The whole list is available on the description below, created by Canva. I hope you're going to have so much fun with it. It sparked so much creativity in me, and I thought I had to share it with my community. I hope you enjoyed this rundown of these brilliant ads, and I cannot wait for us to have an amazing 2023. I'll see you on the next video.